this video. Present, the most awesome building in the world. Hello and welcome. I am Indira and my partner.
Hello, I am Karina Cahyaningrum. Indira, I want to ask you about building. What do you think about impressive building?
In my opinion, from the word of impressive, we know that are awesome, great, and amazing. So it needs professional engineer and architect to plan and build it. With so many different types of buildings spread all over the world, it's hard not to know that are at least a few of the type building impressive in the world. Karina, could you give us some example the impressive building in the world?
Yes, of course, there are many types of impressive buildings, but in my opinion, impressive building is like Rusky Bridge from Russia, One World Trade Center from New York City, Sky Tree Tower from Japan, Burj Khalifa from Dubai, etc.
This is top 6 most impressive
civil engineering project of the last decade.
First, Burj Khalifa 2010. Standing at 829.8 meters, the Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building and the tallest freestanding structure in the world. The building's incredibly tall design inspired the creation of the Butter's core, an engineered structural system with a hexagonal core which helped to support higher building than ever before. The building was named in honor of the ruler of Dubai and President of the United States Arab Emirates, and its design was inspired by the pattern and structure of Islamic architecture. The structure cost $1.5 billion to build. Burj Khalifa has broken numerous other records, including building with most floors at 211, and it has received immensely positive acclaim from citizen, engineer, and architect. Over 22 million man-hours went into building the tower, and some of the building was completed at night, including pumping concrete almost 2,000 feet up to avoid the high daytime temperatures. Jeju Bay Bridge or Qingdao Huaiyan Bridge 2011. Designed by the Sando Goso Group, the Qingdao Huaiyan Bridge in eastern China stretched 41.58 kilometers, taking the title of the world's longest overwater bridge. It is also known as Jeju Bay Bridge as it connects the city of Gwangju with the suburbs of Gwangju across Jeju Bay, and its size is reflected in the cost of its construction, as the project cost the equivalent of over $1.58 billion Singapore and 4 years of construction and at least 10,000 workers to complete. It needs 2.3 million GUM of concrete, 450,000 tons of steel. It is built to withstand typhoon, earthquake up to 8.0 on the Richter scale, and the impacts of 300,000 ton vessels. The Jeju Bay Bridge made use of many innovations in structural engineering. Third Tokyo Skytree, Japan. 2012. The Tokyo Skytree is the second tallest structure in the world after Burj Khalifa and the tallest tower in the world. Tokyo Skytree Zone is a modern commercial center in the Sumida district of Tokyo that was opened in May 2012. Located across the Sumida River of Asakusa, Tokyo Skytree Zone was built by Tobu Railway in conjunction with television broadcaster. The structure is a central concrete column that is surrounded by steel tubes that are structurally spared from each other. Exactly 634 meters tall, this massive tower really stands out in Tokyo skyline. Digital broadcasting antennas, mainly to host television broadcasting antennas. The long and slender uppermost section is the antenna tower for digital terrestrial broadcast with many antennas for TV stations set around it.
Fourth, Ruski Bridge in the Russia. 2012, one of the longest cable-stayed suspension bridges in the world. Vladivostok is situated in the far east of Russia on the coast of the Pacific Ocean, near the border between Russia and North Korea, opposite to Sapporo town in Japan. The Ruski Island Bridge is the longest cable-stayed suspension bridge in the world with a total length of 3,000 meters or 10,200 feet. A concrete and steel construction, it is 25.5 meters or 97 feet wide and carries 4 lanes of traffic on a deck 70 meters or 230 feet above the water with a 21 meters width. The longest and shortest cable stays of the bridge are 579.83 meters and 135.77 meters respectively. Fifth, One World Trade Center in New York City, 2013. The One World Trade Center is the world's tallest building in the Western Hemisphere. The skyscraper now stands as the tallest building in the entire Western Hemisphere and the tallest outside of Asia. It has become the iconic building of the modern New York City skyline and serves as a symbol of city's resilience following the fateful attacks in 2001. Engineers designed the total height with the tower on top to be 1,776 feet or 541 meters. That number should ring a bell to any American watching, as 1776 is the year of the signing of the Declaration of Independence. The original World Trade Center were built using external steel columns, but the new tower utilizes a hybrid concrete and steel structure. The structure components have a concrete core to take the compression loading with a strong steel exterior to support tensions and normal wear. Yavuz Sultan Selim Bridge in the Turkey, 2016. The Yavuz Sultan Selim Bridge is a bridge for rail and motor vehicle transit over the Bosphorus Strait. To the north of two existing suspension bridges in Istanbul, Turkey. The bridge is also one of the world's widest suspension bridges at 58.4 meters or 192 feet wide. The bridge is part of the projected 260-kilometer Northern Marmara Motorway, which will bypass urban areas of Istanbul in the north, connection Kemal, Silivri in the west, and Pasakoy, Handel in the east. The 58.4 meters wide or 192 feet bridge is 2,164 meters or 2,100 feet in length with a main span of 1,408 meters or 4,619 feet. The main span is the main long suspension bridge in the world.
According to the Old Testament, "Come, let us build for ourselves a city, and a tower whose top will reach into heaven. And let us make for ourselves a name, lest we be scattered abroad over the face of the whole earth." Buildings can be beautiful or ugly, exciting or boring. Look at the building around you.
Is there enough like? Do they have interesting features? Think about how you could have made the better building. We hope you, we, they, and I can inspire to be more infinity and beyond to make civil engineering project.
Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.
Goodbye!